Please support me by subscribing and liking.
High-end smartphones cost a small fortune can be found for cheap these days if you are lucky enough to find a good deal, like Amazon's latest one on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, which offers a record-high discount on the best mainstream slab-style Android phone of 2022. The Galaxy S22 Plus isn't the most extravagant phone around, but that's precisely what makes it great. It's the best mix of performance, aesthetics, and size for the price, which makes it very easy to recommend to most people. The phone has the premium Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip under the hood, which guarantees top-of-the-line performance, and it can handle just about anything. It sports a brilliant 6.6 inches screen with a zippy refresh rate of 120 Hz. The device is easier to hold than the likes of the Galaxy S22 Ultra and iPhone 14 Pro Max. It has a triple camera system with a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultrawide unit, and a 10MP telephoto module with 3x optical zoom. It produces impressive images and low light performance is also great. The phone can shoot 8K videos at 24 frames per second, FPS. The high-res video shooting capability puts it ahead of most smartphones. The 10MP front camera is also excellent. The S22 Plus features a beefy 4500 mAh battery which ensures all-day battery life. It will get 5 years of software updates. Basically, the S22 Plus is the best large-sized phone for those who don't want an over-the-top, pricey phone and has everything most people need in a handset. Its $999.99 price tag puts it out of reach for many, but Amazon is currently selling it for just $623, after a $377 discount. This is the biggest price cut we have seen for the phone, and the best part is that there are no stipulations, so all you gotta do is add the phone to your digital cart before other shoppers do.